Everybody on the internet talks about how glamorous it is to have your very own Amazon FBA business. This is the freedom lifestyle. This is the laptop lifestyle. This is the online business model that can potentially set you free forever. Those things are true because I have achieved it. But there are so many things that people do not talk about. And truthfully, in business, not every single day is glamorous. There will be problems that will arise. So if you are brand new to selling products on Amazon and to starting this business, I want to give you full transparency on what you can expect. So let's start with the number one thing that most people just do not talk about. And that is not everybody will get success and not everybody will succeed. Look, we are raised to go to 9-to-5 jobs. We are taught to go to college, to go to university, and nobody teaches us about the habits that you need to have in business in order to succeed. So believe it or not, when I got into business, there were a lot of habits that I had to personally develop to get to where I am at today. I've just crossed the 8-figure mark in my online business and I cannot be happier. It's an amazing feeling and I don't know where I would be if I never found out about selling products on Amazon FBA. But there are so many things that you have to work on as an individual to even make any money on Amazon. And that may sound crazy if you are a beginner. You may think, okay, Tamara, I just want to do product research. Why are you talking about habits and all the things that you went through and this and that? The truth is product research and finding the right product to sell on Amazon is not enough for you to succeed. And that is why some people fail in this business. And to be honest with you, most people fail because they are very focused on finding products, on launching products, but what they are missing in their lives are personal habits that can help them achieve their success. So in a recent YouTube video, I talked about it right here, everything that I sacrificed to become successful. And these are real things that I had to give up in my personal life in order to achieve financial freedom. So please watch that video if you have not. I go through everything in detail, everything that I gave up in order to get everything that I have today. If you are new to selling products on Amazon FBA and you do not know where to start, then I encourage you to get my free training in the YouTube description below. Click on the free training link. Enter your name, enter your email address, and watch my free training to the very end because I break down for you step by step how you can actually build a profitable Amazon FBA business with no bullshit. Make sure you watch the training to the very end because you may be qualified to get on a free one-on-one consultation with my team and we will guide you through the entire business model and how you can make money selling products on Amazon. Number 2, people online talk about Amazon FBA businesses and treat it like a side hustle. I'm sorry to break it to you, but Amazon FBA businesses are not a side hustle. They are full-time businesses. So eventually, when you get success in your Amazon FBA business, you have to treat it like a full-time job. That's right, I said the word job. Now, in the beginning, when you are building your business, when you are looking for products, when you are learning the entire business model, when you are learning Amazon PPC campaigns, the advertising campaigns that everybody hates, you are going to have to spend so much time in your business, but that eventually pays off. And I just do not like it when people on the internet kind of frame this Amazon FBA business to be like this glamorous side hustle where you can just walk away when you want and not have to do anything in your business and you just make money. I am actually in a position right now where I only spend 30 minutes per day in my Amazon FBA business. But guess what? It took me a few long years to get where I am. So when you first start, you are going to have to put in the time, the work, the energy, and the effort, and you have to commit. If you are someone that is in a place right now in your life where you just cannot commit because you have something really big happening in your personal life, then I actually recommend you to not start this business at all. But if you can commit 1 to 2 hours per day, then this business model will work for you. You see, success will come to you if you commit to it every single day. If you walk away from your business, you are never going to get true lasting results. So I talked more about this in this YouTube video right here where I show you my true results and a realistic timeline when I started making 6 figures, 7 figures every single single year in my Amazon FBA business. So I do not want to give you false hope. Number 3 is something that absolutely nobody talks about. So I want to talk about it right now. And that is, yes, mentors, coaches, gurus, whatever name that you want to give them, they do make money when they sell their Amazon FBA programs. So for me, I call myself an Amazon FBA mentor because I have been doing this for 5 whole years and I have reached an extreme level of success. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I am always transparent with you and showing you my numbers. I am showing you my revenue, my sales, my PPC, my ACOS, every single month, how much I make, how I did it, tips, tricks. That is all on my Instagram. And yes, I do get paid for mentorship because I have sacrificed so much in my life and I learned specific skills that people do not have in order to grow successful Amazon FBA businesses. The blood, sweat, and tears, I've gone through it all. So of course, if I am sharing my knowledge with the world, I am going to charge them for my time. I think that my time is very valuable. I have helped so many people free themselves from their 9-to-5 jobs. I've helped people make 7 figures every single year. So yes, I should be charging for my time. And that's just how the world works. If you want success in your Amazon FBA business, then I highly recommend you to get a coach, a mentor, a guru, whatever name you want to give them, but just be careful with who you decide to train you because not everybody is experienced. There are some people who only stick around for a few short months. They take your money by selling you a program and then they disappear. So you want to go with someone that is experienced in this space and that they have proof that they have sold on Amazon as well. So like I said, I'm always very transparent with my numbers, with my sales, how I run my business, and you also get to meet other mentors that I have mentored in my program if you do decide to join. So again, if you do want to learn this online business from experienced Amazon FBA sellers, then please click on the link in my YouTube description below to get my free webinar training, and then you will have an option to book a call with my team to see if we can help you succeed. Whether you like it or not, if you are someone that is serious about making money and you are serious about learning a specific skill that can help you make money and improve your life, there will be a price to pay. I just cannot believe some people slide into my DMs and they ask me, Tamara, can I have the program for free? Can you coach me for free? Why are you charging me? It's like, hello, do you know the shit I went through to get to where I am? And here you are trying to freeload off everything that I have worked on. It's just absolutely crazy to me. So please, you guys, you have to understand that you need to invest in yourself if you want to grow. You don't even have to invest in me. I really don't care, but this is just how the world spins. Number 4, the truth is way too many people on planet Earth expect instant gratification instead of delaying gratification. So what do I mean by that? There are way too many people that fail in their Amazon FBA businesses because they expect instant gratification. So they are someone that expects to make money the very next day, the very next week, the very next month. And they fail to realize that true successful multi-million-dollar businesses take time to build. But once you are done the building phase in your business, everything else will work out for you. And that is, of course, if you know how to choose the right products and how to delegate things in your business. But a lot of people focus on the short term. And when you are very focused on the short term, you will never make any real money. So I always practice delaying gratification. And what I mean by this is all the money that I make, I do not spend right away. All the money that I make, I reinvest into my business so it can grow long term, even some more. So for me, instead of expecting instant gratification, thinking to myself, I need to make money right now, I need to make money tomorrow, or I'm not doing this business sucks because why does it take a few months to make money? Well, again, this is a business and you have to train your mind into thinking that this is not like a job where you clock in and clock out. This business is your baby and you have to work with your baby so it can grow, and then long term, it can run off and do its own thing. So with all of the money that I make, I always try to treat myself. Obviously, I love to treat myself. I'm sure if you guys follow me, you already know that. I love to treat myself and I love to go shopping. However, a bulk of my money is actually invested into other things that will grow long term. So that is delaying gratification. I am making the sacrifice today day. So long term, for the years to come, for the decades to come, I am set up for myself and I can retire early. I was talking to one of my subscribers on Instagram and he was telling me how he just sold his Amazon FBA business for $500,000 after only 2 years. $500,000, and he was only spending 2 to 3 hours per week on his business. So let's think about that for a second. He only spends 2 to 3 hours per week in his business, which is so worth it to make $500,000 in only 2 years. Now, I'm not saying that I'm promising that that is going to happen to you, but I am trying to get you to understand delaying gratification and not expecting instant gratification right away where I need to make money today, tomorrow. It really helps with your success long term. So you are not going to get paid tomorrow. I'm sorry to say that. But if you stick to this business model and you are getting the help you need and you know how to look for good products to sell and run this entire business, long term, you are set for life. So please practice delaying gratification. I promise you that this will help you make more money in the future. Number 5, you are going to have to get rid of people and hobbies that just do not serve you and do not provide you with any value. So in this YouTube video right here, I talk about why some people are becoming millionaires selling on Amazon FBA, have their Amazon FBA businesses, and why you are not a millionaire yet, or you will never become a millionaire through this business. I was very transparent in that video because truthfully, there are so many things that you have to adjust in your life in order for you to get success in your business. And I know that does not sound like fun, but I promise you, once you actually make these changes in your life and only focus on yourself, you are going to see the success long term. So again, this is kind of like delaying gratification. Nothing is going to happen overnight. And new habits take a while to develop. But once you change your habits and once you get rid of people that are no longer serving you, I promise you, you are going to scale to the moon and your business is just going to blow up and you are going to make so much money. So for example, there are a lot of people that I just cut out of my life because they simply do not support my business and they don't provide me any value in my life. And as you get older, you will soon realize this. If you are someone that is in your early 20s, you may be still hanging out with people that are providing no value to you. You may be surrounding yourself with people that are unsupportive and do not understand what you are trying to achieve in your life. And I used to be like that when I was in my earlier 20s. I had so many friends. I hung out with anybody. I wanted to just party and make friends and get to know people and have fun and build new relationships. But at the end of the day, these people and these hobbies and things that I was doing did not serve me and it did not help me grow as a person. So then I decided to just get rid of those people, not talk to them, and focus on myself, focus on my family, and focus on what really matters to me, which was building financial freedom so I can set myself up for decades to come and not have to worry about money. I think a lot of people wake up in the morning worrying about money, thinking, oh my gosh, I have my bills to pay. Oh my gosh, how am I going to afford this? Oh my gosh, this is coming up. I can't buy that. What do I do? I'm going to get evicted. Okay, that's kind of extreme, but you get what I mean. Money is very important in our lives. So we must focus on habits that help us make money. And without those habits, without getting rid of people and without getting rid of, hobbies that don't help you grow and make money, then you are just never going to get anywhere with your life. So I hope today's YouTube video really helped you open your eyes about what to expect and what is the truth about this whole Amazon FBA business. If you have any questions or comments, then please drop it in the comment section below. Please help me give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.